Welcome to truality.me. I'm Mr. Y, the sole creator passionately building and maintaining this app to help you manage your money with behavioral finance insights. If you experience any glitches or downtime, it's because I'm continually improving and upgrading the app to serve you better. These improvements and maintenance are non-negotiable. They are absolutely essential to keep the app running smoothly, securely, and effectively. Without regular updates, the app wouldn't function properly or safely. Your patience means a lot, and your feedback truly shapes its evolution. This hands-on approach is why you won't see flashy ads or big marketing campaigns. It's just me, Mr. Y, focused on making something valuable for you. For deeper behavioral finance content, tools, and resources, visit truality.Finance, where the journey continues. Thank you for being part of this community and growing with Truality. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels, truality.legalese, .mental, and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central platform, Truality.Finance.